We're diving into the topic of decluttering your mind. Stick around for your tips for mental calm. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind bites. Practical techniques for clearing mental clutter are presented. You will learn how to cultivate a sense of inner peace and reduce mental stress. What is mental clutter? It's the constant stream of thoughts, worries, and distractions that bombard our minds. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and difficulty focusing. It's like a cluttered room. It's hard to relax or be productive when everything is out of place. So, what is mental clutter? It's the constant stream of thoughts, worries, and distractions that bombard our minds. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and difficulty focusing. It's like a cluttered room. It's hard to relax or be productive when everything is out of place. Identify your mental clutter. Triggers. Examine your daily routines and note what situations, thoughts, or actions lead to a cluttered mind. Identify recurring patterns and analyze what common themes or emotions emerge. This awareness is the first step towards managing your mental clutter. Techniques for clearing mental clutter. Mindfulness meditation. Engage in regular mindful breathing exercises to help you become aware of your thoughts without judgment. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings, letting them flow out of your mind and onto paper. Digital detox. Schedule regular breaks from technology and engage in activities that nourish your mind and soul. Cultivating a clearer mind. Practice. Gratitude. Take time to appreciate the good things in your life. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to commitments that drain your energy. Embrace imperfection. Accept that you won't always be perfect, and be kind to yourself when you make mistakes. Sustaining inner peace. Make self-care a priority. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Seek support. Don't be afraid to contact friends, family, or professionals for help when needed. Maintain a positive mindset. Focus on your strengths and work towards building a more positive outlook.